It might happen to you that you want to open a PDF file, and instead of opening with PDF Reader, it will be opening with the Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge and Windows. We are going to resolve these and learn how to change the default programs on Windows with another program that we installed. Imagine this is a PDF. Instead of opening that with the PDF Reader, it's going to open it with Google Chrome, something like this. Let's jump to the screen and see how to change it.
Well, how to change this document default application? We have two ways. The first way, which is too simple, is you need to right click, go to the properties. It isn't different with Windows 10 and 11, they are all the same. Just go to the properties. In here it types opens with Microsoft Edge. You can change it and use, for example, Google Chrome developer one, more apps if you want to open them with here, or if you want to download any applications that open this kind of file name extension on Microsoft, you need to press OK and go to the Microsoft Store. Let's see what's going on. Okay, as you can see, it shows us the results for the PDF. As you can see, PDFX editor and PDF reader. If you want, you can install that, and a good feature of that is free. As you can see, you will see more PDF readers when you scroll. Okay, this is the first way. What is the second way? You need to go to the search part. In here, type settings. Okay, open the settings. Is like same in Windows 11 and Windows 10. You need to go to the apps. In here, press the default apps. Okay, this tab, it will be open for you. On the Windows 10, set defaults for application is another one, and it is when you scroll, you will see down of these options. Okay, let's start with the first one. Choose defaults by file type. I open that. It says these are the file types. Okay, and it will choose the program for opening that. For example, this file name extension, it will be open with WinRAR. If you want to change that, you can press and choose another application, then press OK. For example, let me type mp3 and search media player. mp3 file, it will be open with media player. In here, you need to search your file format or file name extension, then choose your another application. For example, I can open it with KM player, 64-bit, or Windows media player. Okay, the second one, choose defaults by link type. I opened that. As you can see, these are not the file name extension or the app name. These are the link types. Developers, when develop something, for example, like maps, the URL or the default link type is, for example, maps. In here is Bing News, or for example, Bing Weather. This is the URL of the program that it will be create. For example, let me type calculate in here. As you can see, MS calculator or calculator. When I open, I can change this default application with the link type, and it's not a lot useful, but I just want to tell it to you. What's the final one? If you messed up and change the other things, for example, open the PDF file with another thing that you don't want, you can press restore all default apps and it will be reset by the default like you installed Windows. Set defaults for applications. What is this feature? You need to search the app, for example, KM Player. KM Player development, the programmers that develop KM Player, they told us these all formats that you can see in here are supported and KM Player can open them. Okay, and if you want, for example, media player, it will be open with Windows Media Player. If you want, you can change it and set KM Player for that or another thing for that. This way of search is using the application name and the formats that this application support and change it. For example, Let me search in here. Okay, we don't have search in here. For example, let me open the FLAC. In here is default of that is media player. If you want, you can set media player, Windows media player, the old of that for Windows 7, or use the KM player if you have to download, or if you don't want both of them, you can press lookup for an app on the Microsoft Store and download the application for opening that. And if you want, you can press and, for example, then press OK. As you can see, FLAC will be open with Windows game player. I don't want that. I choose media player again. These all of the things that you can change the default program runs on Windows. And it does not matter, for example, your file is PDF, you can change the MP3 or Word, all of them. I told all of them. See you on the next one. All done.